Hello, this is the directions video for activity 4. In this activity we're going to learn or introduce ourselves to the concept of natural selection. We're going to look at a hummingbird to do that. So first thing you need to do is open up your book to page 227 and you'll see this picture. So I'm going to read this excerpt, which is from your book. You are going to make a note about the hummingbird's tongue, and then you're going to answer these two questions. We have different ways you can do this. You can do this in the text box and the submit button. You can make a media recording of this, or you can do this on a Word document and then upload that file to me. So I'll be looking for a note and then these two questions answered. These are predict questions, so these are your thoughts on how this is happening. You don't necessarily have to know how it's happening. That's what other activities will be for. So let's get started.
Within its narrow, like bill, is a hummingbird's even longer tongue. Both of these specialized structures help the Anna's hummingbird reach the nectar found within the trumpet-shaped flowers it feeds from. Both hummingbirds and flowers benefit when a hummingbird stops by a flower to feed, making theirs a mutualistic relationship. Mutualistic, for those of you who remember, means that both hummingbirds and flowers benefit. They both mutually benefit from the relationship that they have. The hummingbird gets nutrient-rich nectar, which is what the hummingbird gets, and the flower gets pollinated as the hummingbird moves from flower to another flower of the same species. So some pollen from these will get on the hummingbird, and as it moves from flower to flower, it pollinates these things. So the first thing is, let's look at the tongue of a hummingbird, which we can't see here. So let's pull up images of tongues. So these are hummingbirds, and here's their tongue, and you can see it is very long. Very cool looking. This one's in a test tube. And if you want to look at these yourself, but they show you that there's a long bill and a tongue. So it's very much designed to get inside and get the nectar. So the question is, how do you think the hummingbird evolved these traits, such as bill shape, tongue size, to make a certain flower species ideal for food, and how did the flower species evolve? So write down your prediction right here. You should have at least some note about hummingbird tongues maybe over here, and then that will conclude this activity. Good luck and have a nice day.